Okay, the only thing we got to look at tonight is earthquakes and tremors, epicenters. Okay, this is Hawaii, and we can see how the pattern comes out through here. We've had so many patterns come out this way and down this way. You know, it looks like this whole chunk may give one day, all the way up to Kilauea. You never know what's in store. Okay, let's go back this up. Now that's small activity. We only have one 2.5 and greater in Hawaii. Up here in Alaska, we don't have much going on either, except for up here, 4.4, northeast of Dawson City, Canada, 6.2 miles deep. All the information is over here on this side. So we'll just hit there, 2.1. So we don't got too much except for all kinds of small activity. Now, down here, in the last 24 hours, see, we saw a hot spot on the northern end. Just a few days, looks just like that. It was even long like that and everything. Just a few days up here out from Washington. I don't want to have to take you all the way up there. But we had that earthquake down here. This is what's still going on the Mendocino Fault coming into northwest California. A lot of these are pretty small earthquakes, but I mean, they're aftershocks is what they are. We haven't had a foreshock yet, and hope we don't. Hope we don't see a foreshock. But right on the San Andreas, 2.0, coming on down to Cobb, California, and east of Green Valley, 1.6. Right here in, let's see, right here in this area. This is a bad area for earthquakes. 1.6 around Pinnacles. 2.6 code Alinga. East southeast from there. It's going down. Okay, we had a 3.1 around Ocotillo Wells, northwest of there, and 3.7 miles deep on the San Jacinto fault zone. Okay, we're just glancing through here and see what we got. 1.3 around Beatty, Nevada. Now, right here is Las Vegas. Don't see any activity there. Around Long Valley, Caldera, 1.6. 1.2. Okay, Idaho's just got a small one. You can see the information here. Up into Montana. It's going over. All right. 2.1 around Texas, Akerly, Texas, and 2.0 northwest of Lindsay, 2.2 west southwest of Mentone, Texas. Looks like drill spots. This one here I don't know, west of Dover. I don't know what's in that area, which it may be drill spots too. Let's just go take a look. Yeah, I can already see the drilling areas. Each little white box is a oil drill, oil well, or it's already been pumped out and moved to a new area. There's two right here. And we had a 2.1 southwest of Centerville, California, South Carolina, 3.9 miles deep. Now, over here, we started looking for large activity, but this one here is a 5.8 Southern Mid-Atlantic Ridge, 6.2 miles deep. Even though we had this one, we're still looking for larger activity. We got all these plates jamming against each other. 5.3 around southern Chile. 5.4 around Tonga. And Indonesia, 5.1. We had a 6.0 over here yesterday, and it was downgraded to a 5.5. First came out as 6.0. Now, Iceland. Right here in Iceland, right around the main fault, there's information on that of 5.2, 6.2 miles deep. May end up seeing a new eruption in that area. Always got to be prepared. 4.2 out from Puerto Rico. Okay, and Canada, I've already checked theirs, and there's no feed on their map whatsoever, not one small quake. So there's something wrong with their app right now. I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, let's drop this down. Let's see what the 2.5s and greater we have over here. Make sure we didn't miss any. The 3.1 around Ocotillo Wells. 2.6 Kalinga, we already seen that one, and I think we seen this one. That one may have just hit Hamilton. And that is 4.5 miles deep, 2.5. Okay, now this is 2.5s and greater, as you can see. It's quite a few aftershocks. And Alaska, 2.5s and greater. Not much going on. And we're expecting another large quake in the next few days. Just be prepared for that, and it's all you can do. Just try to keep your family safe, and we'll see you on the next update. Everybody stay safe, and we will be watching.